It's my life, and I owe it all to Stefan. Would you like to come in?
Yes.
When I met him, I was dead inside.
Won't be sad forever, Elena.
But he brought me back to life.
Do you remember when we were two beautiful birds? We would light up the sky when we'd fly. You were orange and red like the sun when it sets. I was green as an apple's eye. You said you loved all the songs that I'd sing, like nothing that you'd ever heard. And I said I loved you with all of my heart when we were two beautiful birds.
And that's what love should be. You should love the person that makes you glad that you're alive.
I'll always love you, Elena. Well, crazy or not, that kind of love never dies.
I will always love you too.
Do you remember when we were two beautiful birds?
Hi.
Sing when the morning would come. You were silver and blue like the moon when it's new. I was cold as the summer sun. One day you asked for a different song, one that I just couldn't sing. I got the melody sharp and the words all wrong. Those were the last days of
I can't do this, Elena.
I know.
To build a nest we pecked feathers from our chests, like a book tearing
I was
out
coming back for
every
you, Stefan.
Weren't you know
life
that
we
these
had.
feathers would grow
I mean, that was amazing,
into
too.
a beautiful cage?
And it wasn't a spell or